Question number 8. Find the coordinate of the points which divides the line segment. So this is the line segment AB. A is given minus 2, 2. B is given 2, 8. And it is dividing 4 equal parts. So I am dividing its 4. One part, second part, third part. This is fourth part. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to find P, Q, R. These 3 points we have to find. If it is dividing 4 equal parts, we have to find 3 points. Okay. So how can we, if you want to calculate P, you should know the ratio of AP and PB. If you want to calculate Q, you should know AQ and QB ratio. If you want to calculate R, you should know the ratio of AR and RB. Okay, so total how many divisions? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total it is 4. And this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Okay, so from A to B, what is the ratio? A to B, the ratio is how? This is 1 portion. So 1 is to remaining how many? 1, 2, 3. So 1 is to 3. Next is ratio of AP comma PB. Okay, AP comma PB. Next is ratio of AQ comma AQ is to QB. AQ is to QB. How can we calculate AQ? How many portions? 1, 2. So 2 is to QB. QR 1, RB 1. So 2 is to 2. That means 2 divided by 2. That is 1 is to 1. So first ratio. This is second ratio. Next we have to calculate the third point. Correct? So AR and RB ratio. So AR is to RB is equal to, from A to R how many? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is to remaining R to B only 1 portion. So this. So these 3 are the different ratio. So if we want to calculate coordinate P, what is the equation? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2 comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Okay, so coordinate of P, always x1 y1 x2 y2 are these 2 points. So x1 y1 I am marking here. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Only the ratio are different. So AP, P point we are calculating 1 is to 3 ratio. So M1 is 1, M2 is 3. Next substitute the values. M1 into x2 you will get 1 into 2 plus 3 into minus 2 divided by 1 plus 3 is M1 plus M2 comma 1 into 8 plus 3 into 2 divided by 1 plus 3. Next normal calculation and you will get the point which is equal to minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Simplify this answer, then you will get this is the point. So this is the point P. So you will get minus 1 comma 7 by 2 is the point P. Next we have to calculate the point Q. So how can we calculate the point Q? So point Q, how can we calculate? M1 and M2. What is the ratio here? 1 is to 1. So M1 is equal to 1, M2 is equal to 1. And the points x1, y1 are x1, y1 is equal to what? Which is given in the question, minus 2 comma 2. x2, y2 same 2 comma 8. So I am equating the equation M1 x2. So 1 into 2 plus 1 into minus 2. 1 into minus 2 divided by 1 plus 1 comma. Next is M1 y2. So M1 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to 8. So 1 into 8 plus 1 into 2 divided by 1 plus 1. So if you are simplifying this, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into minus 2, divided by 1 plus 1, 2. Next 1 into 8, 8, 1 into 2, 2, divided by 8 plus 2 divided by 2. So you will get 2 by 2 is equal to 0, 0 by 2 which is equal to 0. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So 0 comma 5 is the next point Q. Now we got the second point. So third point, just like this you can calculate. Third point, the ratio is, what is the ratio? 3 is to 1. So 3 is to 1. M1 is equal to 3, M2 is equal to 3. And the points are the same. X1, X2, Y1, Y2, no changes. Okay. So directly we can apply the equation M1, X2, M1, X2, M1 is equal to 3. 3 into X2 is equal to what? Here it is 2. So 3 into 2 plus 1 into minus 2 divided by m1 plus m2 is equal to 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, comma 3 into 8 plus 1 into 2 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So simplify this, we will get the point 1 comma 13 divided by 2. This is the final answer. Okay. So next question, last question in this exercise, question number 10. Do it as homework. Here you have to apply one equation in the question number 10. Area of rhombus. So area of rhombus, what is the equation? Half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. This is the equation. This equation you have to apply. Okay. In case number 10. Do it as homework.